What are hairdressers really like? I'm Antony Whitaker, hairdresser, business coach, and author of the Grow book series. As a salon owner, the skills that got you to where you currently are in business are not the skills that will get you to the next level. John Paul Mitchell Systems and I have joined forces in a collaboration to bring my brand of business building to the hairdressing community. Your business needs to be about more than just survival. Your real business is the training and development of people, and a successful hairdressing salon is the byproduct of that.
It's really helped me be able to grow my business from the business sense.
He has helped me beyond belief of building a budget.
He's really packaged it in an easy to understand way that takes the fear away from being awesome.
Because Antony was a previous salon owner and he's had the experience, there's more of that connection.
He literally gives you formulas, so it makes it's like a color formula for me.
It helps when you take care of your employees, you're taking care of your guests, and he's helped us to really move forward in that, for sure.
But he really reaffirmed all the different components of how an ecosystem should work in a salon.
Antony's helped me become sane, become motivated, and extremely inspired.
Oh, Antony Whitaker makes it even better because as fun and bright as our future was before, now it's even better and brighter, and we're going to get there faster and with a lot more laughs and a lot more tips.
I think the biggest thing that Antony's helped me with is helping me see my salon from a little bit different point of view. So I used to look at each stylist and how they grew and how to build their numbers. But Antony really helped me see the overall picture of the salon and how to make each moment count.
I actually think with Antony's ideas and coaching, we could open 1,000 salons. It's just now I have to have the energy to keep up.
A lot of times as owners, we always try to solve a lot of problems. We put a lot on our shoulders. And to have, again, someone who's been through this before kind of come in and coach us has been amazing.
And he has just this incredible capability of connecting with people and helping people see the simple solutions.
I can't wait to hear everything that he has to say.
Mr. Whitaker, we are so proud to have you associated with us, and I know you've done a lot for everybody here. Thank you, sir.
What's stopping you